Venezuela is a country that, on paper, shouldn't be poor. In fact, it should be the richest place on Earth. It sits on 300 billion barrels of oil, more than Saudi Arabia. Yet its economy has shrunk by 75% in a decade. Most people see the $15 million bounty on Nicolás Maduro as a legal matter. But in the world of macroeconomics, that's just a down payment. If Maduro is captured or removed, it's not just a political shift, it's the potential unlocking of a trillion-dollar asset class. Today, we're looking at the economics of regime change. How much is a new Venezuela actually worth? And why is the world's most resource-rich nation currently the world's biggest economic short? To understand the value of Maduro's capture, we have to look at the opportunity cost. Every day he stays in power, Venezuela loses billions in potential production. The oil industry there isn't just broken, it's a time capsule of 1970s technology held together by duct tape and prayers. For an investor, Maduro isn't just a political figure, he's a risk premium, a massive, bearded barrier to entry that makes the cost of doing business effectively infinite. Let's talk numbers. The U.S. Department of Justice has a $15 million bounty on his head. In macro terms, that's couch money. The real prize? Re-entering the global credit markets. Right now, Venezuela is in default on about $60 billion in debt. If a new administration takes over, they don't just get the oil, they get the ability to borrow again. If Maduro is removed, the risk discount on Venezuelan assets evaporates overnight. We're talking about the fastest economic rebound in human history, or the most expensive rebuilding project since the Marshall Plan. But here's the part most freedom-loving analysts miss. If you think capturing Maduro suddenly makes everyone rich, you don't understand how money works. Venezuela's infrastructure is so decayed that it would take an estimated $200 billion just to get the lights back on. Literally. The power grid is a mess. The talent has fled. 7 million people, including the engineers and doctors, needed to run an economy. So is Maduro's capture the ultimate buy signal? For the person who claims that $15 million bounty, it's a great day. For the global economy, it's the start of a decades-long arbitrage play. Venezuela is the world's ultimate fixer-upper. It has the best location, the best resources, but the worst management in history. If the management changes, the valuation changes. But remember, in macroeconomics, the transition is always more expensive than the revolution.